Right, so today I'll be showing you how to make and receive calls on your Galaxy Watch 8 or Watch 8 Classic. Now, before we get started, I just want to make something clear. To make and receive calls depends on whether you have the Bluetooth version of the watch or the LTE version of the watch. Now, the LTE version has its own SIM card, which means you can leave your phone behind, and even without a Bluetooth connection, your watch can receive and make calls with that SIM card that you put inside the watch. Okay. Now, if you have the Bluetooth version, you can still make calls and receive calls, but your watch has to be within Bluetooth range of your phone. Okay, so that's the main difference. Now, with that out of the way, to make calls, all you have to do is go to the app screen and find the phone app. So your watch comes pre-installed with the phone app, and when you tap on it, it shows your recent call log directly from the watch. Directly from the phone, copied from the phone, and you can use this to make a call. So, for instance, I can go to this contact, and then I can choose whether to message or to call them. So, if I tap on call, it says select SIM. So for me, I'm just gonna go and select this eSIM, and that's going to make that call. So you can see it's replicating the call, but I'm going to use the microphone and the speaker from the watch itself and not on the phone. Okay. Now at any time I could transfer this call back to the phone by tapping on that, and then the call is going to be on the phone. If I want it on the watch again, I just tap on that, and then it gets transferred to the watch again. So now from here you can adjust volume. This is the volume of the call. You can tap here and then maybe go to the keypad and maybe do a conference call, and again you have a button to switch to the phone, and then once you're done you can just hang up by tapping on that button. So that's basically how to make calls. Now you can make calls to any contacts because the watch also has a contacts application which you can open up, and it's going to have all the contacts that are on your phone right here on the watch, and you can literally call anyone. Now, in terms of receiving incoming calls, when you have an incoming call like this, you can see it's right here on the phone, and it's going to get replicated on the watch. So what you need to do is simply tap on the receive button, or rather swipe up on the receive button, and the watch is now being used to receive that call. So you're currently using let me just reduce volume here. So basically right now you're using the microphone and the speaker on the watch to have a full-blown conversation. Now, like I said, if you have the Bluetooth version, you still need to have the phone within Bluetooth range. So you can mute the microphone here and mute it. You can switch to phone at any time, just like that. Okay, or you can bring it back to the watch, and then once you're done you can end the call just like that. So that is basically how to make and receive calls on your Galaxy Watch 8 or 8 Classic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.